Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to share files using QuickShare. If you want to share some files using QuickShare, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to scroll down in Control Center and here you will get QuickShare. But first of all, you have to make sure that you have enabled Bluetooth. So just keep a long press on this. And here you do same on the other phone, just enable Bluetooth and then look for the QuickShare setting. Just keep a long press on it. And here just select everyone in who can share with you, just like that, which I have selected in both phones. After that, you just have to go back and select files which you want to transfer. I'm going to share some files from this phone. So let's see how. Just open file manager and here just go for the file which you want to share. As I'm going to share a document, just open document and here I'm going to share this document. Just mark it and here just tap on more and we go for the share option. Just tap on it, then select quick share from here, and here you just have to look for the phone's name. If you don't know about the phone name, you can easily check it from quick share settings, and here your phone's name. You must have to look for the same name in the second phone. Just tap on the name and it will connect just like that. You must have to tap on accept, and you can see in this way you can easily share files within quick share on any of your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.